The deeper you go, the less the world makes sense. Sunlight fades, colors disappear, and even sound feels swallowed by the dark. Down here, the ocean no longer feels like Earth. It feels foreign. Creatures drift past with glowing eyes, transparent bodies, and jaws that seem far too large to be real. They don't look evolved. They look invented. And yet, this is not science fiction. This is our planet, seen from a depth we were never meant to visit. As we descend beyond the reach of the sun, light vanishes completely. No sunrise, no sunset, no shadows. In this endless night, eyes become useless. So evolution does something unexpected. Some creatures lose their eyes entirely. Others grow eyes so sensitive they can detect the faintest flicker, a glow produced by another living thing. Many deep-sea animals create their own light, not for beauty, but for survival. Tiny, glowing lures, flashing patterns, sudden bursts of blue-green light. To us, it looks alien. But down here, light is language. Scientists still don't fully understand how some species control their glow so precisely. Is it instinct? Is it communication? Or something we haven't learned to interpret yet? And this raises a larger question. If light shapes life this dramatically, what happens when everything else disappears too? Now we go deeper. So deep that the weight of the ocean becomes almost unimaginable. Every meter adds pressure, until it feels like the world itself is pressing down. Here, bones become a problem. Air becomes dangerous. Structure must change or fail. So deep-sea creatures become soft, flexible, almost liquid. Their bodies bend instead of break. Their tissues absorb pressure instead of resisting it. Some fish have skulls that barely hold their shape. Others have jaws that stretch far beyond what feels possible. To us, they look broken, deformed. But in this environment, they are perfectly designed. Still, scientists don't know how some cells continue functioning under pressures that would instantly destroy human tissue. What protects them? What chemical tricks are at work inside their bodies? The deeper we look, the more biology begins to feel unfamiliar. Down here, food is rare. Nothing grows. Almost nothing falls. Meals arrive randomly, sometimes weeks and sometimes months apart. So when food appears, you never let it escape. This is why so many deep-sea creatures have massive mouths, transparent stomachs, expandable bodies. Some can swallow prey larger than themselves. Others eat anything that moves or doesn't. It feels excessive, monstrous. But starvation shapes evolution more brutally than predators ever could. Scientists are still puzzled by how often deep-sea creatures eat and how long they can survive between meals. Some may go months, even years, without feeding, which leads to an unsettling thought. How slow does life become when survival itself stretches across time? Now we reach depths so extreme, they challenge what we even consider life. No light, freezing temperatures, toxic chemicals leaking from the seafloor, and yet, life exists here. Creatures thrive near underwater vents, feeding not on sunlight, but on chemistry. They don't rely on plants. They rely on reactions. This kind of life feels truly alien, and it forces scientists to ask a dangerous question. If life can exist here, where else could it exist? On icy moons, beneath frozen oceans, on worlds we haven't seen yet. What we've discovered in the deep sea doesn't answer our questions. It multiplies them. We've explored space. We've mapped the stars. But more than 90% of the deep ocean remains unseen. Down there, evolution writes rules we barely understand. Creatures live entire lives in darkness we've never experienced, and the planet quietly reminds us we are surface dwellers, visitors to the shallow edge of a much larger world. The deep sea doesn't look alien because it's strange. It looks alien because we don't belong there. And the deeper we look, the more Earth begins to feel like a planet we're still discovering.